Greetings, I'm Helma Bloomberg, and welcome to your Goleta, California real estate market update as of April 19, 2025. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in Goleta is $1,775,000. The median price of new listings is $1,595,000. The price per square foot is currently $1,101. Looking at market activity, homes are spending an average of 131 days on the market, with the median days on market at 28 days. 14% of listings have seen a price decrease, while 0% have experienced a price increase. None of the properties have been relisted this week. Inventory has increased to 14 active listings. Now let's review the Market Action Index, which compares the rate of sales versus inventory. This week, the index is at 54, placing Goleta firmly in a strong seller's market. This is a notable rise from last month's index of 50. Home sales continue to outpace supply, and the Market Action Index has been moving higher for several weeks. This is a seller's market, so watch for upward pricing pressure in the near future if the trend continues. Home sales continue to outstrip supply, and the Market Action Index has been moving higher for several weeks. This is a seller's market, so watch for upward pricing pressure in the near future if the trend continues. As part of eXp's luxury division, I use cutting-edge tools to find opportunities you won't find anywhere else. My goal is to help you secure the perfect home with confidence and ease. For sellers, your home deserves maximum exposure. Our luxury marketing includes placement on 80 international real estate websites, luxury placements in the Wall Street Journal, Mansion Global, Robb Report, Unique Homes, DuPont Registry, and Forbes Global Properties. And we feature your property with professional twilight and drone photography, plus a dedicated property website. Targeted advertising ensures your listing reaches the right buyers, locally and globally, attracting serious interest and top-dollar offers. Whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or relocating, I offer expert negotiation, seamless transactions, and personalized service to make your transition effortless. That's your Goleta, California real estate market update. If you're thinking about buying or selling, this is the time to stay informed and strategize. Contact me at Helma at helmabloomberg.com or call me at 760-636-3105 for the California desert or 805-450-6006 for Santa Barbara and its surrounding horse and wine country. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media for more insights, tips, and updates on the luxury real estate market. Thank you for watching.